Hello friends, let's provide a solution to this math Olympiad question. If xy is equals to 10, yz is equals to 20, and xz is equals to 30, find the value of x plus y plus z. Now let's name this equation 1, this is equation 2, and then this is equation 3. So the first thing we're going to do is to multiply these three equations. So we're going to have equation 1 multiplied by equation 2 multiplied by equation 3. When we do that, we're going to have xy multiplied by yz multiplied by xz. This is going to be equals to 10 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 30. So xy times yz times xz is going to be equals to x times x is x square multiplied by y times y is y square multiplied by z times z is z square. This is equals to 10 times 20 is 200, 200 times 30 is 6000. So x square multiplied by y square multiplied by z square can also be written as x, y, z all squared, and this is equals to 6000. To clear this square here, we're going to take the square root of both sides. So this square will cancel this square root. We'll be left with x, y, z, and this is equals to square root of 6000 is equals to 20 root 15. So having gotten the value of x, y, z as 20 root 15, how do we get the value of x, the value of y, and the value of z? Now in this question, we have that xy is equals to 10, yz is equals to 20, and xz is equals to 30. So we're going to substitute xy to be 10 in this equation to find z. So if you do that, we're going to have that 10z is equals to 20 root 15 because xy is equals to 10. So xy is 10 multiplied by z. So let's divide both sides by 10. So this and this will cancel. We have that, let me write it here, that z is equals to this and this will cancel. So it will be equals to 2 root 15. So this is the value of our z. Then to find the value of x, we have that yz is equals to 20. So if you substitute yz to be 20 here, you're going to have 20x is equals to 20 root 15. And let's divide both sides by 20. You're going to have this and this will cancel, this and this will cancel. You have that x is equals to square root of 15. And then lastly, we have that xz is equals to 30. So let's substitute xz here with 30 to find the value of y. If we do that, we're going to have 30y is equals to 20 root 15. And then when you divide both sides by 30, this and this will cancel, this and this will cancel. You have that y is equals to 2 root 15 divided by 3. So we're going to have that x plus y plus z is equals to x is root 15 plus y is 2 root 15 over 3 plus z is 2 root 15. Now all of this over 1. So let's find the LCM of 1, 3, and 1. The LCM is equals to 3. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times root 15 is 3 root 15 plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 2 root 15 is equals to 2 root 15. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times 2 root 15 is equals to 6 root 15. So this is going to be equals to 3 root 15 plus 2 root 15 plus 6 root 15. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. Or rather, let me do it this way. They have same term here, which is root 15. If you factor it out, we're going to have 3 plus 2 plus 6 multiplied by root 15 over 3. And then this is going to be equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. So 11 root 15 divided by 3. So this is the final answer to this question. That's 11 root 15 divided by 3 is the value of x plus y plus z. So thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share with your friends. Enjoy the rest of your day.